All right, so what's worse, going to the doctor or doing housework? On the Health Watch, the answer might depend if you're a man or a woman.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with the results.
I bet you guys already guessed this one.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, so this is about Dr. Dread. One survey found 72% of men would rather do household chores than go to the doctor.
For many men, doing dishes, vacuuming, even cleaning the bathroom is more appealing than going to the doctor, according to a new Cleveland Clinic survey. The results showed Dr. Dread is deeply rooted.
Almost half of patients reported that they were taught as children that men didn't complain about their health.
80% of men said they take care of themselves to be in good shape for family and friends, but about 2/3 admit to waiting as long as possible before seeking medical care for symptoms or injuries.
Many diseases, if they're caught early, are fairly treatable and fairly straightforward to treat. Prostate cancer, which I take care of, if you catch it early, it's a very curable disease with very low mortality rates.
65% of men say they try to self-diagnose before going to the doctor, and many turn to the internet, but they're missing out on personalized expert care.
When I hear something weird going on in my car, I have no idea what's going on under the hood. I call my mechanic, who I trust, who has years of experience taking care of that, and we're talking about a similar kind of concept with seeing your doctor.
The survey also found that about 60% of men who aren't already seeing a doctor regularly said they'd be more likely to if it was more convenient.
And the study found that older men were better about going to the doctor. Now, starting at age 50, men should be screened for prostate and colon cancer and find out if they have any issues related to cholesterol or high blood pressure. Of course, early treatment provides the best outcomes. You know, I think the other thing is women get used to going to the doctor younger.
Sure.
Gynecologist, if you're having babies, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
And
what did you say earlier, Steph?
And I think ladies might be a little braver and stronger when it comes to doctors anyway.
Right.
Yeah, there you go.
Right. Just
Tell
do
it like it is.
Right.
Thanks, Steph.
Thank you.